The struggle of indigenous community in Papua, a story of sustainability. In the remote interior of Papua, behind lush forests and towering mountains live indigenous community who have fought for centuries to defend their rights to land and culture. One of them is the Amungme tribe in Mimika Regency, Papua. They are known as guardians of nature. What a deep bond to their land, white serve as both their source of light and identity. However, over time, their traditional way of life have grown. Large companies came into Papua to exploit its natural resources, such as gold and copper mines, often neglect the rights of indigenous peoples. In the 1990s, rapid infrastructure development and widespread mining activities caused significant environmental damage. Rivers that were once clear are now polluted, and the lands passed down for generations have become harder to access. The Amungme people began to fight back. They formed organizations to demand that their land be respected and not exploited. One of their efforts included filing lawsuits in court to reclaim rights over land taken by mining companies. The struggle was not without rights. Many faiths started from vested interests, but their sprint to preserve their cultural heritage and protect the environment remained strong. They believe their land is an inseparable part of their identity and survival. Eventually, through negotiation and legal battles, indigenous community in Papua began receiving greater recognition of their land rights. Court decisions started to reflect the importance of balancing development-wide environmental preservation. Still, the fight continues. The indigenous people of Papua persist in ensuring their lands is protected and their traditions are honored. Events the world around them rapidly changes. Title of the text: The Struggle of Indigenous Community in Papua, a Story of Sustainability. Character: The Amungme tribe, mining companies, record, legal entities, hands, and indigenous community organization. Generic structure: Introduction, Paragraph 1, Body, Paragraph 2 to 4, Conclusion, Paragraph 5. Simple past tense. 1. They are known as guardians of nature. 2. They believe that their land is a part of their identity. 3. The indigenous people of Papua continue to fight. Past continuous tense. 1. The rapid infrastructure development and widespread mining activities were causing significant environmental damage. 2. In the 1990s, companies were exploiting the natural resources of Papua. Past perfect tense. 1. By the time the rivers were polluted, the people had depended on them for generations. 2. The community had already lost part of their land before the legal action began. Past perfect continuous tense. 1. They had been protecting their land long before the companies arrived. 2. The indigenous people had been fighting for decades when the court finally responded. Conclusion. Moral value of the text. Summary. The Amungme tribe in Papua struggles to defend their land and culture from exploitation. Despite challenges, their persistence led to legal recognition of the rights. Moral message. Fighting for justice and protecting nature is important and worth the struggle.
Jika hutan hak adat saya hilang, maka saya bukan disebut masyarakat adat lagi.
Untuk penyelamatan hutan adat di Papua dan juga hutan adat yang lainnya.
Sumber pangan kami itu akan hilang, tempat-tempat penting kami itu akan hilang. Ketika kami gusur itu, saya sudah berdosa terhadap tete dan leluhur moyang saya.
Papua bukan tanah kosong. Perwakilan masyarakat adat suku Ayu dan juga suku Moi datang ke Mahkamah Agung untuk menyerahkan lebih dari 250.000 petisi saya bersama Hutan Papua dengan harapan bisa memenangkan perkara ini di Mahkamah Agung.
Kami sih berharap para hakim agung yang dipilih nanti itu punya perspektif lingkungan hidup supaya melihat perkara ini tidak hanya perkara masalah perizinan, tapi ada kepentingan lingkungan hidup, ada kepentingan masyarakat adat.